it's Laura Burt with Mom Envy, and today I am unboxing my very new and very exciting M1 tool from xTool. So this is a hybrid cutting machine and also laser machine. So what I was hoping for was this is something that I can replace my Cricut with or my Silhouette with, or I can just add it to my collection of cutters, but it has so many more things that it can do because it not only has a cutting blade within it, but it also has a laser blade. So we're going to go ahead and open it up today. First, let me show you what comes inside. So first it comes in this outer box, and then I'm going to open this and then display what's inside. Okay, so once you open this shipping box, it comes within its own box that fits snugly right inside of the other one. And what I really like is it has this easy grip tab to open up the box, which makes it super easy. You don't have to worry about accidentally slipping and cutting the machine at all. Everything comes very nicely packaged. It has this large foam on top, which I'm going to go ahead and remove. It has some cutting mats used with the cutting blade. I got the set that comes with the rotary accessory, which is perfect if you want to be able to do tumblers, or in my case, what I can't wait to do is to actually be able to do baseballs. My son plays baseball, and my husband was an assistant coach this past year, plans on hopefully being a coach next year, and we kept talking about how much fun it would be to be able to actually engrave baseballs. So I'm very excited about this. This comes with the risers, which I will take out and show. Then we have a couple more boxes within here. This is premium material, which I will open too as well to show you. I think we've got one more box in addition to the machine, which is the rotary attachment tool, the rest of what is part of that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the box. Okay, so this is what the unit looks like once it comes out. It comes wrapped nicely in plastic, again, which just helps keep everything safe in shipping. So I'm just going to very carefully cut the tape with some scissors so that I can open it, making sure, of course, not to hit my machine. One thing you'll notice is its size. It is a desktop laser. What's amazing about it compared to all of the other ones is that it is this nice compact size. You can see it easily fits right on top of a tabletop within my office. It is definitely, of course, bigger than like a Cricut or a Silhouette, but honestly, the depth is probably only about twice as deep and maybe about not even twice as high. So it's about the size of my printer. It's a little bit taller than my printer, and it means that it could really fit well in a craft room or an office space. Okay, so right now what is facing you is the back of the machine and the front is facing me. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it so that it's sideways or a little bit diagonal. And so once I open it, again, it has more protective foam inside, which is really great. And this is where you're going to find the user manual. I've watched videos on how to set it up, and what I love is it's super, super easy to set up. Then within here comes, oh, this is some free material that came with it. So this is a piece of wood and a dog tag, and it looks like some sort of leather material. Then we have an AC plug adapter. We have some of this, which from what I remember reading is I think this is some sort of lubricant for the machine. Then we have another adapter. So we have our adapter right here. We have the two cords that we need for that. We have replacement blades. If you have a Cricut or a Silhouette, then you'll know that these look just like the blades for other cutting machines. And what's really great is it actually comes with 5 blades to start, which is amazing that it comes with 5 blades. This is so that you can vent it to the outside, or in my case, I'm going to use this to vent to the purifier. We have the clamp that clamps the hose on. And we have some screws. And that is to put this onto the back. And we'll take out this big piece of foam little riser block pieces. And then another piece of foam that is very nicely and securely. And this last piece of foam was securing the actual tool inside. So we're going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to show you some of the other things that came with it. Oh wait, actually, I think I have some other mats. Okay, and actually have 2 more mats, which is awesome. So I got the accessory kit that comes with the rotary tool and also comes with some premium materials. And so because of that, I got the mats that came with the machine, and then I also got 2 additional mats, which is amazing that right away I'm going to start with 4 mats. So it's really a good deal to get the premium materials pack with it. Okay, so there's everything that comes with the set that comes with the premium tools and also comes with the rotary tool. So this is a nice package deal. We can get it all together, and I really think it's an amazing value because not only are you getting the main machine, but you're going to get the rotary tool, which is completely necessary if you would like to do things like glasses or tumblers or anything that's round, like I said before, like a baseball. It's really important that you have it. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what comes with the premium accessories, or the premium materials. I'm going to move off to the side the materials that I will need later to actually hook it up, but I will tell you it's really easy. It just comes with, this gets screwed onto the back with these 4 screws, and then this tubing goes onto this clamp and it goes into this on the back. It is that easy. And then honestly, after that, you're just going to plug in, insert the blade. Actually, I'm sorry, before you plug in, you're going to want to insert your blade and then plug it in, and then all you have to do is download the software, and you believe it or not, you're actually ready to cut. That is how quick it is to be able to use this machine. Okay, so as I said, I got the premium material packet, which is what the box looks like. I'm going to open this and show you what comes inside. So you get some instructions. Oh, this is awesome. You get instructions for what each of the materials are and what the settings would be. And it gives you any sort of warnings, which is really great. This is extremely helpful. And so if you're a beginner, I definitely suggest this because this is going to make it really easy to be able to use these materials right away. So you get a tote bag that you can cut vinyl to apply, which is really great. And then within here, I'm actually going to see what's in here because this is awesome. You get a lot of stuff within this. Okay, so you're going to get some PVC sheets, which is what's in here. Then I've got some craft paper. I have a piece of basswood and then a piece of black walnut plywood that I can cut. Oh wow, and then there's a ton of these. Then I have these really cute little wooden tags. Okay, these are really cute. What I like about these, is that what these actually are? Let me see. There's a lot of them. Yes, okay, so these are wooden tags, which would be really cute for presents. You could quickly engrave a little tag to put on a present. You can say happy birthday, happy anniversary, Merry Christmas. And we have tons of those, which would also be great just for learning how to practice. Then I have some more. This is laser marking paper. And then we have some more vinyl. It comes with the heat transfer vinyl and sticky vinyl, both. Which means you can do a lot of stuff right away with both of those. And it also comes with white sticker paper, which is great because those of you that follow my vlog know that I make stickers for planners all the time. And so I can actually use this machine to make stickers with, which I really am excited to try out. Okay, so then within here, we get all this out, and then that way it stops making the noise. Okay, So I've got some leather that I can test with. Oh, here's my sticker paper, and actually I got quite a bit of sticker paper. I have 2 wooden coasters. I also have some stone coasters. I've seen a lot of people in the Facebook group use these, and they turn out really well, and they would make a really nice gift if you don't want to keep them for yourself. They're the perfect thing to make for somebody for a holiday, an anniversary, a Valentine's Day. There's a wooden phone stand, which you can engrave. Some metal cards. Oh, there's some jewelry. And then there's some more pieces of jewelry. So there's a little dog tag, which is awesome because I've got 2 dogs, so I can make them their own little tags. And then a card box holder, which also I could engrave. So wow. Okay, so this premium, like I said, this premium kit comes with so much stuff that's perfect for beginners, because look how many projects you can make. You can make presents for people, you can make things for yourself, but it is the perfect beginner's box because it lets you use not only the cutting blade, but also the laser. So you can do engraving, you can do all sorts of stuff. And again, look at this. It has this really nice guide that tells you what the cut settings are, if you're using the blade, if you're using the laser, which mat to use if you're using one of the tools that comes with the mat. And so this is really the perfect, honestly, this is the perfect setup for beginners. I know that lasers can be a little bit overwhelming, to be honest. For me, it's completely new, and it's something that intimidates me as well. And I am not nervous with using this machine because they have seriously given you everything that you need to be successful from the beginning. And from what I've heard, the software itself is also not that difficult to use. It's very user-friendly. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this stuff off, and I'm going to show you what comes in my other boxes that came with this bundle. Okay, so within my bundle, I also got a set of risers. So this is important if you are going to be cutting something that is higher than what the machine allows. This will slightly rise the machine. So it comes with these risers that the machine sits on, and it comes with 4 so that there's 1 for each corner. And this is the perfect way to be able to just get the machine a little bit higher so that you can cut things that are a little bit taller. They also have accessories to raise the machine even more than this. So it's all in what you're going to be cutting and what's important to you, whether or not that would be an accessory that you would need. It is definitely something I'm considering. Next, we have the rotary tool. Okay, so we have the rotary attachment. Again, everything comes with these really nice guides, and everything is packaged really, really well. So nothing's going to get damaged in shipping, which is amazing. Okay, so within here, we have the rotary attachment, and I love this. It actually comes with little screwdrivers that you are going to need to be able to install this. And I'm actually going to leave this in here for now until I go to take it apart, but I'm going to take out a couple things. So this is the main rotary attachment piece, as you can see, and this is where you would be able to place your tumbler so that way it can hold it and it can move so that it can cut. And what I love about all of these plugs, I've learned, is that they're all super easy to do. Most of them are magnetic, so it makes it really easy to install. Okay, within our second box of this is our rotary accessory kit box. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, so this just comes with a bunch of things that I actually don't know what they are until I read about it. But it does come with just more pieces for our rotary attachment, which I definitely, before I undo all this, I want to make sure that I'm using my guide so that I don't misplace anything. So this is everything that comes in the premium bundle. In addition to this, I actually also got the air assist tool, and I got the smoke purifier. And I'm really excited to test those out and be able to tell you how they work. They are not necessary for the machine, but the smoke purifier is supposed to help with keeping the fumes down that come off the machine when you're using it. And then the air assist tool is supposed to help so that you don't get as many burn marks on the tool. So just keep on whatever you're cutting. So it keeps you from having to mask off anything that you're cutting. So thanks for watching the unboxing video, and I can't wait to show you the projects that I will be making over the next couple of weeks.